Where does the serpentine road lead? To the hilltop and beyond, a tiny hut resides at the end of the road. The road ends where people do not go. There rest in peace my muse and love within a coffin made of soil and leaves. Sometimes she sits atop the mountains people do not see. Touching the clouds, she smiles in glee. And when the wars will end and birds will sing, she will return to the serpentine road around for a new world to lead. This is Beyond by Sanhita Barua, and this is simply a very good piece of art where the meaning is so wide that you can delve much more deeper than you may think at one point of time. So I'm going to decode this from my perspective. Of course, I don't have enough knowledge about her writings, as I have read only 2 books of her. First one is this, The Art of Letting Go, and it's still my favorite poetry book. So when she says, where does the serpentine road lead? To the hilltop and beyond. She doesn't just talk about, she don't mean it literally. The meaning is quite vague in the sense, this road, this path where we are trying to go, the path we all choose to go. So then she adds that a tiny hut resides at the end of the road. The road ends where people do not go. There is a hut at the end of the road and where people do not go. From my perspective, it's like where the real me lies, where the soul of mine exists. At that place, at that state of mind, nobody approach me to be at that point of time, to be at that state of mind. Nobody is there, till that end. So the decode is the first time I'm doing and it's not going well. Okay, but still I'll complete. There rest in peace my muse and love within a coffin made of soil and leaves. Again, there rest in peace my muse and love. वहीं रहता है, within a coffin made of soil and leaves. पर पता है वो कॉफिन में रहता है, वो ना ऐसे ओपन नहीं है, वो हर चीज़ हर किसी के लिए ओपन नहीं है, वो खुद भी बंद है, बहुत ज़्यादा बुरी तरीके से बंद है कि वो बाहर नहीं आ सकता. Sometimes he sits atop the mountain people do not see. पर वो कभी कभी निकलता है और उस जो टिप ऑफ द माउंटेन है वहाँ पे बैठ जाता है, क्लाउड्स को छूता है और स्माइल करता है खुशी से, क्योंकि तब पीपल नहीं देख सकते उसको. तब वो होता है जो वो चाहता है, वो नाचता है, गाता है, क्लाउड्स को छूता है और बस वो है जो वो होना चाहता है. And when the war will end and the birds will sing, and this whole chaotic society, the world around us, ये जो रोज़ की chick that you are not supposed to do this, you are supposed to be like this, you should not wear this, you should not talk like this, you should not eat this, this is not appropriate, this is inappropriate, everything. जब ये वॉर ख़त्म होगा ना, और जब बर्ड्स गाएंगी इन द सेंस जब वो होगा, खुद होगा, वो जो चाहता है वो खुद होगा अपने लिए, शी विल टर्न द सर्पेंटाइन रोड अराउंड, वो उस रोड को घुमा लेगी और एक नई दुनिया की तरफ बढ़ेगी जो वो उसकी है, उसकी खुद की है. The world of glee, the clouds and the smiles and everything. So hats off to Sanita Barua. This was Beyond, decoded by me. I would rather like to be called as Eminem because it comprises whole of me. Whole of me, including the id and the ego. And here comes me. Thank you, thank you.